This is a 1/72nd scale 3D printed model of a T-90M main battle tank. The model is far from perfect, but it is a decent and affordable one. One thing worth mentioning is that the parts for this kit did not come on sprues like traditional plastic model kits. Instead, they came in scaffolding. It is indeed tricky to remove the parts from the scaffolding, so I would recommend that you do it carefully and, most importantly, allocate some time for it. Once you have the parts ready, it's not terribly difficult to put them together. You may refer to the existing manuals of the T-90M kits available online to make sure that the parts are installed correctly. That's all for this video. See you all in the next one. Take care.